Hey guys, assalamu alaikum, welcome back to another video. Hope you guys are doing well. Today's video I'm gonna be making Pakistani potato samosa. My husband made these samosas last week. It was so tasty, and I want to try myself today if I can make it, but I know I can make it. I'm gonna be sharing this recipe with you guys. If you are fasting, how is your fasting going so far? Because my fasting is going well, alhamdulillah. Yeah guys, so let's get started. So we're gonna be making dough first. I'm gonna be measuring about 1 cup of plain flour. Now I'm gonna be adding baking soda. This is a baking soda, not baking powder, because we want our samosa to be crunchy. This is gonna help on that crunchiness. We're gonna be adding about a pinch, just like that. And now I'm gonna add some salt. Then I'm going to mix this together. I'm gonna add about 1 tablespoon of oil. Now we have to knead our dough, and you must remember we need very hard dough, so don't add too much water. You just have to add a little bit at a time. Oops. So I'm done with the dough. As you can see guys, it's not soft, it's hard. Not that much hard, but also not too soft. They have to be in between, okay? While I'm preparing my potato, I'm gonna just cover and let it rest. Okay guys, so to save time, I already boiled my potato and I mash it, as you can see guys. And when you mash potato, don't mash completely, you have to leave it like so. And now I'm going to add the spices here. First I'm gonna add my green peas. So this is about half cup of green peas. This is 3 medium potatoes. Now I'm gonna just add here. Okay, I'm gonna be adding also some green chili. This is a spring onions. Turmeric powder about half teaspoon. 1 teaspoon of zira. 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds, but you have to put in your hands and just crush it like so. There we go. So everything is in here. Now I'm going to be mixing. Look how beautiful is this, guys. Wow, love it. Okay, our potato is done. Okay guys, back to our dough. Now I'm gonna just make a small balls, just like so, more smaller. Okay, I'm done with the balls. Now I'm gonna go ahead and flatten all the balls out. You have to dip in the dry flour first, so don't stick in your working surface, and make sure it's very thin, not thick. Okay, I'm done. As you can see, it's really thin. You have to make sure it's thin like this one, guys, because we don't want to eat roti, we want to eat samosa. So now I'm just gonna put it together, and if you want to put other one on top of other, you have to make sure you sprinkle some flour, because if you just put it down like that, it's going to be sticky, you know what I mean. So now I'm gonna be continue making my I'm gonna continue flattening my dough. Okay guys, I'm done now. I'm going to be cutting them in two so that we can start with folding. Okay guys, for folding process you'll need water, so make sure you have your water. And for folding you have to start from other side and bring to the center, and then you brush some water, so that when you bring other piece it will be able to stay together, it will be able to stick together. So yeah. Okay, now I'm going to add the potato mixture. I'm using teaspoon, so I'm gonna go ahead and put about 2.5. If you are using tablespoon, add about 2 or 1.5. So now I'm going to brush some water, then you have to just press it to make sure it's nicely sealed. Okay guys, my samosa is done. As you can see, now I'm going to sprinkle some flour in the tray and keep my samosas. Okay guys, so I just finished folding my samosas. As you guys can see, I'm super happy about the result. It came out so perfectly. So now if you don't want to use same day, you can freeze it, that's fine. And yeah, let's just fry and show you guys how it looks after frying. Okay guys, so my oil is already hot, and if you fry your samosas, make sure your oil is not too hot, otherwise it's gonna just burn on top. Okay, so guys, we have to fry your samosas until it's light golden, and to flip it over, don't wait until it's completely brown. Once it start getting brown, just flip it over and cook about few seconds and flip it over again until it's all light golden. Okay guys, my samosa is done. As you can see, it's nicely golden. Now I'm going to remove from oil, and the place where you want to put, you have to make sure you put a dish towel or something that is gonna be able to absorb the excess oil that is in samosa. And thank you so much for watching guys. If you did like, don't forget to give your sister a thumbs up and share this video with others. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Allah Hafiz.